Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha Tiwari and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss white discharge in females and what it might indicate. At what point should it become a matter of concern? So, this is a common part of many females' lives and it often raises questions and concerns. So, let's start the video by taking a closer look at this. And first of all, let me assure you that white discharge is a completely natural and common occurrence in females. It's a part of body's way of maintaining vaginal health. This discharge helps to clean and moisturize the vagina, keeping it free from infection and maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria. So, what exactly is white discharge? White discharge is a fluid that comes from the glands inside the cervix and vagina, consisting of dead cells, bacteria, and mucus. And the color and consistency of this discharge can vary throughout your menstrual cycle and depending on hormonal changes in the body. Now, I am going to talk about some of the most common causes of white discharge. Number one is normal ovulation cycle. One of the most common times for women to notice white discharge is during their menstrual cycle, particularly around ovulation. Mid-cycle, the body produces more cervical mucus to help facilitate fertilization, and during the ovulation, the discharge is usually thicker, sticky, and white or clear. This is completely normal and a sign of a healthy cycle. The second one is pregnancy. This is another time you might notice an increase in white discharge during pregnancy. During the early stages of pregnancy, hormonal changes lead to an increase in vaginal discharge. This discharge, called leukorrhea, is thin, milky, and mild smelling. It helps protect the uterus from infections and keeps the birth canal clean. The third cause is sexual arousal. So, during sexual arousal, white discharge increases because blood flow to the pelvic area increases. This can lead to an increase in vaginal secretions. This is the body's natural way of preparing for intercourse, ensuring lubrication and comfort. The fourth and very common cause is infections. And white discharge is usually harmless, but there are cases where it could be a sign of an infection. One of the most common infections is a yeast infection, also known as candidiasis. This can cause a thick cottage cheese-like discharge accompanied by itching and burning sensations. Another infection to watch out for is bacterial vaginosis, which can cause a thin, watery discharge with a fishy odor. These infections often occur when the natural balance of bacteria in the vaginal area is disrupted. And if you notice a change in the color, smell, or consistency of your discharge, or if you experience itching, burning, or pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. And the last is poor hygiene and irritation. Sometimes white discharge can increase due to poor hygiene or irritation. Using harsh soaps, douching, or wearing tight, non-breathable underwear can upset the natural pH balance of the vagina, leading to excess discharge. It's important to practice good hygiene and wear cotton underwear to allow for ventilation. Remember, in most cases, white discharge is completely normal and nothing to worry about. However, if you notice changes in the smell, color, or consistency of your discharge, or if it's accompanied by discomfort, itching, or pain, it's always a good idea to seek medical advice. Before we end the video, I want to give you a few tips to maintain vaginal health and reduce the risk of infections. So, first one, to maintain a good hygiene by washing with mild unscented soap. Second, wear breathable cotton underwear and avoid tight clothing. Third, stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Fourth, avoid douching or using scented feminine hygiene products. And fifth, get regular checkups and screenings, especially if you're sexually active. Remember, Your body knows how to care for itself, and white discharge is a natural part of that process. Don't be afraid to talk about it, and always consult a healthcare provider if you have concerns. You can call the number below in the video. Our doctors will guide you according to your condition. And I hope today's information is helpful to you. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to comment below. If you're dealing with white discharge and want a consultation, you can reach out. I'll see you in the next video with more valuable tips and insight. Until then, take care and stay healthy.